Welcome to Ace English Daily. Hello, everyone. How are you today? Today, we are going to look at a conversation at a restaurant. In this video, you will follow a simple and relaxing story about two coworkers going out for lunch together. Don't worry, I will speak slowly and clearly, so please relax and enjoy the conversation. Before we start, I have a small question for you. Please listen carefully to find the answer. This will help you understand English more deeply. So here is today's question. What food does Emma order at the restaurant? The answer is mentioned in the conversation. If you find the answer, please write it in the comments section. By writing your answer in English, you can improve your English skills even more effectively. All right, are you ready? Okay, let us begin. I am so hungry today.
You look hungry. Are you okay?
Yes, I am okay, but I really need to eat something. I did not eat breakfast this morning.
Me too. I have been working all morning. I am very hungry too.
It has been a long morning. Do you want to go and get some food?
Food? Yes, that sounds really good.
What kind of food do you want?
I think I want something warm and delicious. What about you?
I want something good too. I really need a good meal right now.
A good meal gives you energy. Me too. Let us go to a restaurant.
A restaurant? That is a great idea.
Do you know a good restaurant near here?
Yes, there's a nice restaurant just around the corner. It is very close.
Oh, really? I did not know there was a restaurant near our office.
Yes, it opened last month. I go there sometimes for lunch. It is really good.
That sounds perfect. Let us go.
Okay, just give me 1 minute. Let me finish this email first.
Sure, take your time. I will get my bag and my jacket.
Okay, I'm done. I'm ready now. Let us go get some food.
Great! I am so excited. I love going to restaurants.
Me too. A good meal makes everything better.
That is so true. Okay, let us go.
Here we are. This is the restaurant.
Oh, this restaurant looks really nice. It looks great from the outside.
Wait until you see the inside. Let us go in.
Wow, it is even nicer inside. It is very warm and cozy in here.
It smells like food. Can you smell it? I love that smell.
Yes, it smells so good in here. I love the smell of fresh food cooking.
Look at this place. It is beautiful.
Yes, the tables are very nice and the chairs look very comfortable.
And look at the counter over there. It is big and very clean.
Yes, the counter is beautiful. I can see the kitchen behind it.
And look, they have bread and desserts over there too. They look so good.
Oh, they really do. Everything looks absolutely delicious.
There are many people here today. This restaurant is very popular.
I can see why. It is a really nice place. The music is nice too. It is very relaxing.
Yes, it is. This is a perfect place for a lunch break. Let us find a table and sit down.
How about this table? This table by the window.
Oh, that is perfect. I love sitting by the window. Let us sit here.
Great. Let us sit down.
These chairs are really comfortable, and this table is very clean.
Yes, everything is very clean here. I really like this restaurant already.
Okay, where is the menu? We need to look at the menu.
Look, here it is. The menu is right here on the table.
Oh, good. Let me see the menu.
Here, let us look at the menu together.
Okay, so what do you want to eat?
Let me think. There are so many things on the menu.
Yes, they have a lot of food here. They have pasta, of course.
And they have soup too. I like soup.
They also have grilled chicken, rice, and fish. There are so many things to choose from.
Oh, grilled chicken sounds really nice. What is the difference between grilled chicken and fried chicken?
Grilled chicken is cooked on a grill. It is healthier. Fried chicken is cooked in oil. It is crispier.
I see. I like healthy food, so I think grilled chicken is better for me.
And look, they have fresh salads and sandwiches too.
Oh, nice. Do you want something hot or something cold?
I want something hot. I always eat hot food for lunch. I like hot food the best.
Hot food is good, but today I think I want something light. It is a little warm outside.
That makes sense. So you want a salad? A fresh salad. That does sound nice.
Do you want anything with your food? Bread? Soup?
No, thank you. I do not want soup. I like grilled chicken, just chicken, nothing else.
Wow, really? Just grilled chicken with nothing?
I know, but I like simple food, just good chicken.
I like my salad with bread on the side, and a little olive oil on my salad.
That is okay. Everyone is different. Some people like it simple, some people like more.
That is true. Okay, so you will have grilled chicken, and I will have a fresh salad with bread.
Sounds good. Should we also look at the drinks?
Yes, let us look at the drinks too. Are you thirsty?
Yes, I am a little thirsty. Actually, I am quite thirsty. I did not drink much today.
Oh, me too. I only had 1 glass of water this morning.
Let us get something to drink. What kind of drinks do they have?
Let us see. They have water, juice, lemonade, and iced tea.
That is a lot of choices. Lemonade sounds nice. It is fresh and cold.
Yes, I think I want lemonade too, and maybe some water on the side.
Good idea. I will have lemonade and water too.
Okay, so grilled chicken, a fresh salad with bread, and 2 lemonades with water.
That is right. That sounds like a great lunch. Okay, should we do an order at the counter?
Let me go in order. I will go to the counter and order for both of us.
Are you sure? Thank you, Emma. That is very kind of you.
No problem at all. I'll be right back.
Hello, welcome to our restaurant. What can I get for you today?
Hi there. Can I have a fresh salad, please?
Sure, 1 fresh salad. Would you like bread on the side?
Yes, please. Just a little bread on the side.
Okay, a fresh salad with bread. Would you like any dressing on your salad?
Yes, please. Just a little olive oil. Nothing heavy.
Perfect. A fresh salad with bread and olive oil. Anything else?
Yes, I would also like grilled chicken, please. A medium portion.
Sure. Would you like anything with the chicken? Sauce, rice, vegetables?
No, thank you. Just the chicken, please. No sauce, no rice, just the chicken.
Okay, 1 grilled chicken. No sauce, just the chicken. Anything else?
Yes, please. We would also like 2 lemonades and 2 glasses of water.
Great choice. Our lemonade is very fresh today. We make it fresh every morning.
Oh, that sounds wonderful. I love fresh lemonade. Hot food is good, but today I think I want something light. It is a little warm outside.
So that is 1 fresh salad with bread and olive oil, 1 grilled chicken, 2 lemonades, and 2 waters.
Yes, that is right. That is everything. Thank you.
Is this for here or to go?
For here, please. We are sitting at the table by the window.
Perfect. Your total is $14.50.
Okay, here you are.
Thank you very much. Would you like a receipt?
No, thank you. I do not need a receipt.
Okay, please have a seat. We will bring everything to your table in just a few minutes.
Great. Thank you so much.
You are welcome. Enjoy your meal and your afternoon.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
Oh, look, here comes our food and drinks.
Finally, I am so hungry I cannot wait to eat.
Me too. Let me try my lemonade first.
Be careful, the glass looks very cold.
You are right. Let me wait 1 moment. Okay, now let me try it.
How is it? How is your lemonade?
This lemonade is so cold and fresh. It smells wonderful.
Is it good?
Yes, it is very good. It is sweet, but not too sweet. I really love it.
That is great. Let me try my lemonade too. Oh, it is so cold and refreshing. This is perfect for today.
Did they make it fresh?
Yes, they did. You can taste the fresh lemon. It is just right. Not too sweet and not too sour.
I am so glad we ordered lemonade. Now, let me try my grilled chicken.
Oh yes, tell me how it is.
This chicken is really hot and it smells wonderful.
Is it good?
Yes, it is very good. It is strong and full of flavor, just the way I like it. The chicken is soft and juicy.
That sounds delicious. Let me try my salad now.
How is your salad?
Oh, it is so fresh. The vegetables are so crispy and clean. I love it.
Did they give you the bread?
Yes, they did. The bread is so soft and warm. It is just right.
I am glad you like it. How about the olive oil?
The olive oil is light and perfect. It makes the salad even better. You should try it.
Can I try a little of your salad?
Of course. Here you go. Try it.
You are right. It is very fresh and delicious. The vegetables are really good.
I told you it is good, right? Can I try a little of your chicken?
Of course. Here you go.
This chicken is so good. It is soft and full of flavor. This is amazing. I think I will order this next time.
Right. Everything here is delicious. The food and the drinks are all really good.
I agree. The chicken is great, the salad is great, and the lemonade is perfect.
This was a really good idea. I am so happy we came to this restaurant today. That was such a nice break.
Me too. I feel so much better now. I feel so much better after that salad and lemonade.
My grilled chicken was hot and full of flavor, just the way I like it.
And my salad was so fresh and crispy. It was perfect.
The bread was soft and warm too.
And the lemonade was so cold and fresh. Everything was absolutely delicious.
I really like this restaurant. The food is delicious and the drinks are great.
I agree. And the tables and chairs are very comfortable, and the prices are very good too.
Yes, and the staff are very nice and friendly.
I want to come to this restaurant again. Let us come again soon.
Yes, I agree. This is my new favorite restaurant. Let us come again.
How about next week?
Next week sounds great. Next time I want to try the pasta. Pasta is very popular here.
That is right, and I want to try the fish next time. I have never had fish here.
The fish looks very fresh on the menu. You would love it.
And maybe we can try the soup and desserts next time too.
Yes, the desserts looked so good, and the soup looked very warm and fresh.
And they had so many kinds of juice on the menu too. Maybe next time we can try the juice.
That would be really nice. There is so much to try here.
We need to come back many times.
That is fine with me. I love restaurant time. It makes me happy.
Me too. Restaurant time is really nice. It is the best part of the day.
Okay, we should go back to the office now.
You are right, but I do not want to leave. I want to stay here and eat more food.
Me too, but we have work to do. Let us go back.
Okay, let us go. But let us come to this restaurant again soon.
Definitely. Let us come again next week.
That sounds great. Okay, back to work.
Back to work. How was it? I hope this video helped you improve your English. Now let me ask the question from the beginning one more time. What food does Emma order at the restaurant? The answer was mentioned in the video. Did you find it? If you did, please write your answer in the comment section. Even one simple sentence is perfect. By practicing English output like this, you can improve your English more efficiently. On this channel, we share slow and easy English conversations to help beginners build listening and speaking confidence. If you enjoyed this video, please like the video and subscribe to Ace English Daily. And do not forget to leave a comment with your answer. All right, that is all for today. I hope to see you in the next video. See you next time. Bye.